According to a high-level panel on illicit financial flows, Africa is losing at least $89 billion annually to illegal transactions. And for the case of Uganda, the government is losing between 2 to 5 trillion shillings every year to tax evasion alone. With this widespread criminal practice hitting the 32 trillion shillings target for service delivery in the next financial year, just days away, could be a tall order.
But when you look at the cost of corruption report by the Inspector General of Government, it actually reveals a higher figure of about 9 to 20 trillion per year lost through corruption. But also when you look at the other avenues, for example, the tax expenditures report, it also revealed that as a country we lose about 5 trillion per year. So if you combine all these monies together and you look at the current context we are in, the rising debt and everything, you note that there is a lot that we need to do specifically to curb, that illicit financial flows, dirty money flow, so that, that money can be rechanneled into a sustainable financing of our budget.
Capital flights, double taxation and weak governance are key drivers of illicit financial flows. The Ministry of Finance acknowledges these issues and reports making strides to address them.
Because from our perspective, we make an effort to provide this information. There was a question on capacity. What kind of capacity do we have? For sure, we can do more, but again, we've improved a lot. We've improved quite significantly. We can no longer argue that we are so constrained.
And most of these multinational corporations, when they come into Uganda, they benefit from the tax incentives and exemptions, but also even they benefit from the window of open account, which creates, which drives or supports illicit financial flows within Uganda. So Uganda as a country is losing a lot of revenue.
While the challenge of curbing illicit financial flows persists, the government is tasked with enforcing tax policies within the informal sector, which houses a large percentage of taxpayers. Rona Nahabwe, NTV Business.